Hi, so this is my project on quiz MCQ where super user can set the MCQ, add questions to that MCQ set, and the user can take the quiz. So there are three PY files, which are the first one is of course the super.py, in which the main things are gonna happen for, like, if you wanna set the questions, if you wanna add the question in the user.py, you can take up the quiz and you can also see the result over here. The testing is just to run the objects of that particular class, object variables. So yeah, so I have taken dictionaries over here. So science QE define is for science questions easy, science questions hard. Similarly, maths question easy and hard. Then options, for that I have also created a dictionary. For user, I have created a dictionary in which I'm going to store the ID and marks. So when we go further, as you can see, I'm going to take the super user ID and super user name, and then they're going to be asked if they want to set the quiz. And if they say yes, then they have to enter the topic on which they want to set the quiz for. So I have given them two choices over here. As you can see, that it's science and maths. After that, they can also choose the difficulty level for that quiz, and accordingly, the further things are going to happen. So as you can see, there's a opt thing over here where you have to enter the options separated by space. This is going to get stored in this options, and all these are class variables, so that they can be accessed all in the all functions and other classes too. So yeah, after this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask them to enter the options separated by space. Then they're gonna enter the options, and then that options are gonna get stored with the question. So uh, when we when we ask them, wait a sec, in the user, when we ask them to take a quiz, for example, they have chosen science easy, all right. So when we ask them to take a quiz, then we are just gonna call the super dot options val. For super dot options val is basically the question, which is gonna be inherited from here. That is for val super dot science question easy. So this question is similar to this question. So it's gonna inherit means it's gonna retrieve the values of options from that. I will show you in the output. Yeah, one more thing. I'm gonna go back to super. Yeah. After that, we are gonna store the question and answer in the super maths or super science, or all right. Everything is gonna get stored in the dictionary as in the form of question, and then the questions are gonna be key. So it's the questions are gonna be separate, and then there's gonna be option. Sorry, the answer. And similarly, for the options, it's going to be question and the option. An option is going to be a list. So yeah, you can enter as many options as you want. No worries. After that, we will go to the other part. Yeah. So what I'm gonna say over here was, while true, if they wanna set some more questions on some other topics, they can continue. If they don't, they will say no, and the while loop will break. After that, we have an add question method, which will consist of the same things, but only the other thing is that when we were gonna set the question, we were allowed to enter as many questions as you want. So how many questions you want to set accordingly. When we add a question, we're just gonna get to add one question. to any of the topic or any of the difficulty level, topic difficulty level you want. So yeah, these are the similar things, similar format. After that, we'll go to the user, and here, as you can see, the user will enter the roll number and name, and after that, he can or she can take up the quiz. You have to enter the quiz you want to take. You have to enter the difficulty level you want, and if they choose whatever they want, it will just traverse through the dictionary and retrieve a question, and again it's gonna traverse to the option and retrieve the options over here, and they have to input the option. If the option is equals to the answer, if the answer is equal to the answer, so science QE val will basically give you the answer. So answer equals to answer. So this is gonna retrieve the answer, and it's gonna check if the answer is similar, means equals to it. If it's equal, then it's gonna increment the marks by 2, and the marks are gonna get stored in the user dictionary that I showed you over here, and in that the marks are gonna get stored as roll number and marks. Roll number is gonna be the key, and marks are gonna be the values over here. So after that, if it's hard, the test level difficulty is hard, then what we will do is we are gonna give them 5 marks each. If it's easy, we are gonna give them 2 marks each. Here in the result section, what we will do is print out the result according to their roll number. So they have to enter their roll number and the result will get printed. And the right option for the questions where that's also gonna get printed. That's it. So I'm gonna show you the text testing thing. So I have to just unlock the user, save it, save it. Now I'm gonna run the terminal. Wait a sec. Hmm. So hey John, you can set up the quiz. Do you want to set the quiz on some other topic? Yes, you have to go with yes. Enter the topic you want to set the quiz on. It's gonna be science. Enter the difficulty level. It's gonna be easy. How many questions you want to set? You can set as many as you want. Let's set 3. Enter the question. Water is, enter the option separated by space. It's going to be O2 or H2O, something like that. And after that, enter the option if it's going to be 1 or 2, option accordingly. If you want the option, as you can see, the answer here is O2. So the option is going to be 1. Enter. So answer is going to be 1. Enter the other question, for example, color of sky separated by space. It's going to be blue or red. Answer is going to be blue. What can we ask? Science. Is science fun? Yes. No. The answer is yes. Do you want to set quiz on some other topic? No. Do you want to add a question to that? Yes. On which topic where you want to add the question? It's science, and it's easy. Enter the question you want to add. So let's say, what is 1 plus 1? It's a maths question, but let's see. It's 2 or it's 1. Answer is 1. Let's go with it. Do you want to add another question? No. enter the quiz you want to take. So now the user's gonna enter the value. So he's gonna enter science, easy, and now you will see all the questions over here. So we added 3 questions before and then we added one more question. So there's gonna be total 4 questions. So water is O2. The color of sky is blue. Is science fun? Yes. What is 1 plus 1? It's 2. So enter your roll number. It's 1. So you have obtained 8 marks and the right options for the questions were this. So yeah, that's how this works. How we have obtained 8 marks is there were 4 questions and 4 into 2 equal 2 marks for each questions. Easy question and hard quiz contains 5 marks each. So yeah, that's how it works. So this is it about the MCQ type query questions. This is how we will get the result displayed. The like Sufyan has obtained 8 marks, right option for the question where, and so on. This is it. These are my classes. And one more thing, I've imported super over here. If I didn't, then I couldn't have done this all thing. So the main thing is you have to import the class where from where we are gonna even access the variables, or if you are gonna access the methods, you have to import the class over in the other class. Right? So yeah, that's it. You can add one more user too, and that will also run. So that's how it works. So that's it. Okay. Thank you.